Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to write down the coefficient of yc in minus of 16 ycf. Now remember that in each and every term, it is composed of a coefficient and a variable. For example, if we have a term 7x and we have been asked to find the coefficient of x, then coefficient of x will be equal 7, or rather we can say that everything except x will be the coefficient of x. Therefore, similarly, coefficient of yc in minus of 16 ycf will be everything present in that term except yc. Therefore, coefficient of yc in minus of 16 ycf will be equals minus of 16f. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.